Hello, today I'll be making sweet potato casserole. If you're a first-time visitor of our channel and would like to see more of our recipes, please like and subscribe. To start, you want to parboil your sweet potatoes about 3/4 of the way. You don't want to cook them too much, they'll get too mushy. Once your potatoes have parboiled, let them cool and then peel them and slice into large medallions. Add your first layer of sweet potatoes to your baking dish. Cut up pieces of butter evenly over your sweet potatoes. Next, add some juice from your peaches, sprinkle some of your brown sugar and spices, and then some of your pineapple and peaches for this layer. Continue layering your ingredients until your casserole dish is full. Covering your sweet potatoes with foil or a lid, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven, stir, and return to the oven uncovered this time for an additional 30 minutes. You can enjoy your casserole as is, or get out your food processor and make mashed sweet potato casserole like I did. Sometimes I add some marshmallows on the top. Everybody has their own variation of sweet potato casserole. Please share yours in the comment section below. Coming soon in our spin-off, How to Cope to Cook, we will be reviewing iMac Arthritis Gloves by Brown Med. So be sure to hit notifications for upcoming videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.